Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download presentation in Google Slide, or how to download Google Slide presentation in different formats. So if you want to download your file in different formats in Google Slide, here is how you can get it done. So if you want to download your file or your presentation in Google Slide using different formats, first thing you have to do is tap on Files, tap on File, then locate Download button, tap on the download, then tap on the download button. You'll find an option where you can download in different formats. I see we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have about 7 formats here which you can download, in which you can download your presentation. So the first thing is you can download using PowerPoint or using document, which is ODP. Also use the PDF document. You can also use the plain text, the JPEG, the PNG, then the graphics vector. So these are the different ways you can download file or your document in Slide. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.